Hello guys, welcome to Acheiver Exam Prep. Myself Sandeep Dixit. In this video, discuss about a functional equation. That's a very important for your IPMAT 2024. And every year, one question asked in a short answer form or a MCQ form in IPMAT indoors and GPMAT and another many more exams too. So let us start and top 10 questions. And so let us start. First questions is based on that's a polynomial equations. So that type equation is solved by the linear equation concept by substitution methods. Just use this concepts and try to solve. So in these cases, you firstly calculate the function of x. If you get the function of x, then you can find out f3 or f100 or anything else. So let us start. And firstly, you replace it. X is replaced with 1 minus x. So if you replace, then it's a f1 minus x plus twice of 1 minus x. In the place of x is a 1 minus x, so it's a minus 1 plus x is equal to 7 plus 1 minus x. It's a 8 minus x and it's a fx. So another equation you generate, f linear equation, if 1 minus x plus twice of fx is equal to 8 minus x. So that type question is just you solve as a linear equation and calculate the value of fx. So in the equation number 2, it's equation number 2 and it's equation number first. You multiply with a 2, then you get twice of f1 minus x is equal to plus 4 fx is equal to 2 8 is 16 minus x twice of x. That's equation number 3. If you subtract equation number 3 or equation number 3 minus equation number first, so you cancel out twice of f1 minus x, just only thrice of fx is equal to 16 minus 7, it's a 9, and minus 2x minus x, that's a minus 3x. So you common from 3 3, then it gets fx is equal to what? It's just only thrice of 3 minus 3 minus x. Just you calculate the value of function of x. If you get it, then very easy, then you directly put the value x is equal to 3, then you get 3 minus 3, it's a 0. So that's a very easy questions. So that type question is solved by the linear equation form. It's also a polynomial equation, and it's a, in this case you put x is equal to, firstly x is equal to 1 by x. So if you put fx is equal to 1 by x, so it's a fx you put x is equal to, x is replaced with a 1 by x, substitution method. So just f1 by x plus thrice of fx is equal to 1 upon x square minus 1. Just simple, you multiply this equation by a 3, then you subtract the first equation, then you get 8 of fx is equal to, it's a thrice 3 upon x square minus 3, it's a minus 1 plus 1, then it's a then it's a also a minus x square. Fx is equal to what? Fx is equal to 1 by 8, and in the brackets it's a thrice of x square minus 2 minus x square. You calculate the value of 1, so f1 is equal to what? 1 upon 8 in the brackets 3 over 1 square minus 2 minus 1, so it's a minus 3 minus 3, that's a 0. So function of 1 is equal to 0. That's a very easy questions. Next question is a pattern based question. It's a very important, and it's a tricky based questions. Its question is fx is equal to this 9 upon x, 9 to power x upon 9 to power x plus 3. You require to find out this value. जब भी इस तरह के क्वेश्चन होता है, पैटर्न बनता है, देखो 1 और ये 99, इन दोनों का समेशन क्या हो रहा है? 100x, 100 by 100, दैट मींस 1 हो रहा है. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर आप x और x के प्लेस पे 1 माइनस x निकाल लो, x इज रिप्लेस विद f1 माइनस x, दैट मींस अगर इन दोनों का समेशन देखोगे तो उससे कोई ना कोई सिस्टम बन सकता है. तो फर्स्टली यू रिप्लेस x इज इक्वल टू 1 minus x. So you generate the f1 minus x, that is a 9 to power 1 minus x upon 9 to power 1 minus x plus 3. 9 to power 1 minus x is, that means 9 over 9 by x. In a denominator same, 9 upon 9 to power x plus 3. In denominators you take the LCM 9 by x. So it's a 9 plus 3 into 9 to power x over 9 to power x. 9 to power 9 to power x cancel out. In the denominators, if you common 3, then it's a get 3 into 3. In the denominator you take common 3. 3 plus 3 common, that's a 9 to power x. 3 cancel out. So just only 3 upon 3 plus 9 to power x. It's a f1 minus x. So if you add fx is what? 9 to power x upon 9 to power x plus 3. If you add both, so it's a fx plus f1 minus x. Then what you get? 9 to power x plus 3 is the LCM. 9 to power x plus 3. Now first is a 9 to power x, and there is a 3, then it's a 1. So fx plus f1 minus x value is a 1. Here f1 and its last is a f45 by hundreds. So in the pair form, f1 plus 1 by hundreds plus f99 by hundreds. Use this concepts, so you get 1. Similarly, f2 plus 98 is also a pair. Its value is also 1. So here 1 to 99, it's a how many pairs? It's a 98 number, but one number is a f45 by hundreds. It's not a pair from anyone. But in the last, it's a write down is a f45 by hundreds. So it's a cancel out. So here 1 to 99, that's a one number removed. That's a 98 number. So that pair is a 49, and each pair value is a 1, so that our answer is 49 into 1, that's a 49. So ये क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, पैटर्न बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, देखकर ही करने वाला क्वेश्चन होगा. अभी तो मैंने बना के दिखाया और एग्जाम पर आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो इसको. Okay, so let us next question is a very important concept. It's a pattern based questions. Fx plus y, fx plus fx into fy, f5 की वैल्यू गिवन होगी, f10 की निकालना होगा. तो दैट्स क्वेश्चन इज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहते हैं. f5 से f10 जा सकते हैं, वेरी इजी. कैसे? व्हेन x एंड y के प्लेस पर सेम वैल्यू अप्लाई कर दो, यानी x और y की जगह पर आप क्या कर दो 5 5 रख दो. अब अगर x एंड y की जगह पे 5 5 रखोगे तो क्या होगा? 5 plus 5 is equal to f5 into f5. so just you get it's a f10, and f10 की वैल्यू आपको इजिली कैलकुलेट हो गई. वो क्या आ जाएगी? 4 into 4, that's a 16. f10 तो बहुत इजी है, 16 निकालिए. अब प्रॉब्लम किस बात की आएगी? f माइनस 10 कैसे निकाला जाए? तो f माइनस 10 भी निकाल सकते हो, वेरी इजी. कैसे? f माइनस 10 के लिए अगर हम लोग x को अगर 10 रख दें और y को रख दें -5. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे क्यों ऐसा? जैसे यहाँ से f5 की वैल्यू 4 की बनती, वैसे मुझे f5 निकल -f5 निकल f -5 निकल के आ जाए तो f -10 भी जनरेट कर लेंगे. So that's way you can just put it 10 minus 5. So it's a f10 into f minus 5, or f10 minus 5, it's a f5, and it's a f10 into f minus 5. और f5 की जो वैल्यू है वो आपके पास है 4. f10 का जो वैल्यू है वो है आपके पास कितना? 16 इंटू f माइनस 5. तो f माइनस 5 का जो वैल्यू हो जाएगी वो गैस हो जाएगी आपके पास 4/16. दैट्स अ 1/4. वेरी इजी. ओके, इट्स f minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 4. So in this way you get f minus 10 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So it's a 1 by 16. Here you required f10 minus this, so that means you required f10 minus f minus 10. तो f10 का वैल्यू हो गया 16 माइनस 1/16. तो आंसर आएगा कितना? 15.9375. ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Same question, same pattern. Use this. f3 is given. Firstly, you calculate the f6. If you get the value of f6, then you find out the value of f minus 3. Then you get same question. Try to solve and put it your answer in a comment section as a homework questions. So let us move for next question. And here question is that question is a pattern based question, same logic, multiplication product rules basis. F3 is given, we required F1 by 3. So firstly you calculate the value of F1. How you calculate F1? So if you put 3, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So what is this? F3 into F1 is equal to F3 into F1. So very easy. If F3 is a 3 and it's also 3, so it's F1 is what? 1. F1 is 1. F1 is equal to 1. So F, next step you put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 over 3. So it's a 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to F3 into F1 by 3. F, that's a 1, or F1 value is a 1. F3 is value is a 3. So F1 by 3 is what? F1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So you required just put it in the equation. F1 by 3 is equal to F1 by 3. You required F1 by 3 plus F3. And here F3 value is a 3. F1 by 3 is a 1 by 3 and it's a value 3. So our answer is 9, 1, 10, 10 by 3. That's a 3.333. That's answers. Okay. That's easy questions. It's a pattern based question. And another question is also very good questions. And it's a 32. Okay. F1 into 64, 2 into this. So that's a product basis. It's a question is a F120 is given. And same property used that way. In such a way, you can just get a pattern. F128 is given. You require to F1 into F1 into F2 into F4 into F32 into F64. So it's a F 128. So you write down as F128 into 1. 128 into 1. It's a F128 into F1. Its a value is a what? It's a F128, that means 5 is equal to 5 into F1. So you easily get F1 is equal to what? F1 is equal to 1. Next, if you similarly 128 you can write down as a F2 2 into 64. So F2 into F64, it's a first and that's pattern. 2 into 64 is 128, its value is a 5. So F2 into F64 is a 5. Similarly, next 4 into 32, it's a 128 and it's a F4 into F32. Its value is a 5, so it's a 5. So just put this equation and you get 1 into 5 into 5. So our answer is 5 square. Either is to write down as a 25. That's a very easy questions. It's a pattern based questions. Next question is very good questions, and that question is that F24 is given and you required to find out the value of 18. So that's also 24 you factorize in such a way, it's getting the something 24 is a factors, it's a write down as a 8 into 3 and F18 is you can write down as a 6 9 into 2, so that you can 24 something you get that value. Okay, so firstly it's write down as F24 you write down as a 8 into 3, it's equal to 54. So it's a F8 into F3 is equal to, it's 27 into 2. F8 is what? F8 is equal to F8 into F3, and F8 means 2, F2 into F2, 2 into 2, that means it is 3 into 3 into 3 and it's a 2. So you can generally know F3 is equal to 2 and F2 is equal to, because it's a 2 cube is a 3 ka cube, that means F2 is function of 2 is equal to 3. You can generate the value, you can require F18 and F18 you can write down as a, it's a 9 into 2 and 9 means it's a F3 into F3 and into F2 and F3 is what? 2. So it's a 2 into 2 into F2 is 3, 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. That's very simple. Okay, let us move for next question. That's very important question is something replacement based question, and pattern is that polynomial equation and f11 given f15. So in that type question you put the value 11 given 15 given, so required between these numbers f11 to less वाली वैल्यू, तो दैट मींस इस केस में एक पैटर्न बनेगा f11 से आगे इंक्रीजिंग सीरीज में बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो f11 given है, so if you put the value of x is equal to 10, so it's a f 10 plus 2, that's a 12 is equal to f10 plus f11, and f10 को थोड़ी देर के लिए कुछ कांस्टेंट ले लेते हैं, के लेते हैं, ये हो गया k, और f11 की वैल्यू है आपके पास 91. ओके, तो k प्लस 91. सिमिलरली अगर आप f13 की बात करोगे तो f13 की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, यानी 13 यानी x के प्लेस पर आप क्या रख रहे हो, 11 रख रहे हो, तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, ये हो जाएगा आपके पास f11 और प्लस क्या होगा f12, तो f12 और 11 की वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास, 11 की वैल्यू 91 है, और f12 की वैल्यू क्या है, k प्लस 91 है, तो दैट मीन्स k यहाँ पर 91 कर लो और इसके प्लेस पर क्या कर लो, k प्लस 91. दैट मीन्स एक तरह से क्या हो गया, k प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ 91. सिमिलरली x इक्वल टू अगर आप 12 रखोगे तो ये बन जाएगा क्या, f14 बन जाएगा, और f14 की जो वैल्यू हो जाएगी, ओके, तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आपके पास f12 प्लस f13. ठीक है, f12 की वैल्यू अगर रखो तो क्या आएगा, k प्लस 91, f13 की वैल्यू रखो तो k प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ 91, तो फाइनली अगर बोलोगे तो 2k प्लस थ्राइस ऑफ 91. ठीक है, f14 x इक्वल टू 12 लगाने पे, और x की वैल्यू 13 लगाने से क्या हो जाएगा, f15, तो ये हो जाएगा f13 और प्लस f13 114. तो f13 की वैल्यू अब आपने निकाली यहाँ से k प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ 91, और f14 अभी यहाँ से निकला है 2k प्लस थ्राइस ऑफ 3 टाइम्स ऑफ 91, तो 2k प्लस 3k, दैट मीन्स it's a 3k. okay, because f13 here, okay, f13 is equal to k plus twice of 90, and that means 3k plus 3 to 5 into 91, and f15 is already given, it's a 617. if you take here 617 minus 91 into 5, 5 1 5, 5 9 45, 455 is equal to 3k, so k is equal to, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो तो 2 आएगा, और 11 minus 5 is a 6, and it's a 162 डिवाइड बाई 3 कर देंगे तो k का वैल्यू निकल के आ जाएगा 3 5 and 3 4 54. That's a very good question. It's a very important concepts, and next question is a homework question. All of you solve it and comment in a comment section. You find that video is important for your upcoming exam. So subscribe this channel and hit the like buttons. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye and take care.